Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the app and the file. This saves time. Make sure Dazz Cam is updated and has storage permission, because the import step needs access. Once done, download the Cpm35 preset file to your phone, place it in a known folder. You should also back up current presets and jot down exposure, ISO, and shutter values so you can revert if needed. This sets a stable baseline, so the import and tweaks behave predictably when you continue. Next, import and configure Cpm35 inside Dazz Cam. You go to the Import Preset or Profiles menu, tap Add, then navigate to the folder where you stored the Cpm35 file. Select it and confirm the import. Once loaded, apply it to your active profile so you can see it live. Then, tweak exposure, white balance, grain, and vignetting. Small changes matter. Make sure to preview in both bright and low light scenes, because the preset can behave differently across lighting conditions. To finish, save the adjusted preset as Cpm35 Custom so you can recall it instantly. Export or sync it to cloud for backup. You should shoot test frames in both RAW and JPEG, compare results, and lock any settings you want fixed. If you plan to batch edit later, export a reference image. If Cpm35 doesn't appear, check the file extension and that Dazz Cam supports it. Make sure storage permission is active. Update the app and restart. This resolves most import issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.